Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Nyla and I post beauty, lifestyle, and everything motherhood. And today's vlog is going to be a mixture of just lifestyle and wellness and just catching up and me just basically resetting my life. 6:04 in the morning, I was about to wake my husband up so we can go to the gym. We're about to go to the gym. I've been officially back in the gym for a week now. Yeah, it actually makes a week exactly today because today's Tuesday. So I got back in the gym last Tuesday and did legs last week. And now we're doing legs today. So I'm going to probably try to keep that routine going. Probably do like the same days. Well, the same routines for certain days so it could just help my brain stay organized. I actually just seasoned this chicken this early this morning. I woke up at 5:30, but I had to just get myself together. Praying and stretching a little bit before the gym because I kind of just like to walk in the gym and just do what I need to do instead of stretching at the gym because I don't know, I just feel like that's an extra step that I don't want to do, so I just rather do it at home. But I prepped this chicken for lunch because I just want to bite, even though I know that when we come back from the gym it's not going to be lunchtime, but I just want everything to be easily accessible. So y'all will be seeing that I will be meal prepping in this vlog. I'm not going to meal prep breakfast, lunch, and dinner because honestly I feel like breakfast is quick, so you could kind of just prepare it easily. We don't mind like meal prepping and having the same thing, but after a while it's like so probably just for a few days, but mostly dinners are going to be meal prep. That is a must because we both be tired. We just want to go in the refrigerator, grab the bowl, and go about our day. That's what you're going to be seeing in this vlog. May show y'all a little bit of what I'm doing today in the gym, but I am proud of myself for being consistent for a week. I know it's only been a week, but I actually feel good. I feel better, a little better mentally. The physical part will come later. I'm just really, like I said before in my other vlog, which was probably like three weeks ago, I'm really trying to prioritize health for sure. If I'm not doing what I need to be doing, then my child is not going to be doing the same thing, and I just want to practice having better habits for her. Obviously, yes, for myself, but to be honest, for her. Yeah, let's go. Okay, you guys, so it is 7:58, almost 8 o'clock. I just got out the gym. It was intense, but it was a good workout. Like, you know how you ever had that workout that hurt and burned so good? Like, it was a good workout, and I didn't record because I forgot to bring my camera inside, and I was just in that mode. But yeah, so I'm here with baby girl, and now it's my husband's turn. He's in the gym right now. We are obviously parents, so we just swap back and forth. But again, we are building good habits, getting up early, right mama? Getting up early, getting out. It is gonna be 95 degrees today, which is absolutely insane, but it's about time. Summer is approaching. Once hubby finishes, we're gonna actually go to Walmart because we do have a few things to pick up for the house. We need some toiletries, and just a few things like laundry stuff that we need to do. Like I said, I am gonna be meal prepping some things, probably making lunch with you guys. Also, what else needs to be done? Laundry needs to be done. Gonna be going back to my mother-in-law's house this upcoming week. We're gonna be there for like 2 weeks, so yeah, we do a lot of back and forth, so that's why it's so hard for me to like vlog a lot, because I be home, but then I'm going to my in-laws house and I'm just back and forth and stuff, so I be just forgetting to pick up the camera. And also, I be tired, okay? I'm just tired, mom. And then, like y'all know, I just joined the gym trying to prioritize my health. And then the meal prepping. So, it just be a lot going on. But so, I don't want the vlogs to be all over the place. But this is a realistic vlog. So, I'm going to get back to you guys when we are in Walmart. And if not in Walmart, I'm going to get back to you guys when we are home. And just going to give you guys a little haul. So, yeah. So we just just got back home, so I'm just gonna give you a quick little haul. I got some EOS body wash. I love this body wash so much, and I ran out, of course. I got the vanilla cashmere. This is a staple. The lotion, the body wash. Actually, the body wash smells amazing, and the lotion smells amazing too, but I feel like the body wash has like a little bit more of the vanilla scent. I got the pink champagne. My husband had this, but I never got this one last time, and it smells so good. And then the strawberry dream. Honestly, I really understand the EOS hype. Before, I just thought it was like overrated, but I understand because it's like really hydrating. Then I also got the 3 matching lotions to go with it. Got some body oil gel. Picked up some Dr. Teal's Epsom salt because this is very much needed, especially because we're in the gym and our bodies is aching. Gain detergent, fabric softener, got baby girl her as well, and then we got some tissue and some paper towels. So right now it's 10 o'clock and I'm about to make some breakfast really quickly because I'm super hungry and I'm sure my husband is super hungry. Baby girl is right here entertaining herself. Love that for her. Perfect timing, mama. My husband's about to do laundry. I'm gonna cook breakfast. And I'm gonna see you guys when we start the meal prepping. It is 1 o'clock. I just got out the shower. I'm feeling great. Baby girl is taking a nap and my husband is finishing up laundry. So now it is lunchtime / meal prep time. Let me just briefly tell y'all what's on the menu. So for lunch, I'm gonna actually be making a homemade chicken pizza, like basically a protein pizza. And I really want to get into the habit of like with the things that I like making it healthy instead of completely taking it away. And I really think that my daughter would like it because she pretty much eats everything that we eat. So that's what we love. Like, she's not picky. Outside of the chicken pizza, we're gonna be meal prepping a chicken bowl. So it's gonna be chicken, rice, corn, greens, all of that mixed together. That'll be for lunch or dinner. It really doesn't matter, to be honest. Then we're also gonna do the beef chunks. So it's gonna be beef and broccoli with sweet potatoes, and my husband's gonna be preparing that. We also still have some pasta that my husband made yesterday, so we could also use that. So that'll be 3 things that we are meal prepping, and that's gonna be good because, again, like I said, we don't want to overdo it, end up not eating the rest and food going to waste. So that's what's gonna be on the menu. I'm gonna be using this naan bread for the pizza, and this is kind of what I was going for. I'm not gonna eat all like the anchovies and all that other stuff on top, but this naan bread, it has 12 grams of protein. Do a whole recipe on the back. That's so cool. I do have pesto here now. That maybe I should, maybe next time, but this is what I'm gonna use. I got this 3 cheese tomato sauce. I'll be making up the chicken, and then I have some mozzarella cheese in the containers.
You know you want my love, baby. You got me twisted over. Girl, you got me twisted over you. I know I got what you need right here, baby. So what you wanna do? Baby, I know. Baby, I love you so.
Okay, you guys, so the pizza is done. I put baby girl's pizza away. I'm about to try it because it's literally almost 2 o'clock and it's lunchtime. So I wanted to get my husband's reaction because I know he's gonna tell me the truth.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
It's a protein pizza. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Now, we got some pepperonis on this joint.
This is so good, y'all.
Ay. Ay. Yeah. Ay. Yeah.
All right, you guys, so all the meal prepping is done. I also made some drumsticks. Well, first of all, excuse the TV in the back. My daughter is watching her show. But yeah, I also made some drumsticks, and I didn't really have a side with it, to be honest. I know that my daughter likes drumsticks, so that's also why I made it just by itself, because she's a person where she can just eat meat by itself. Like, I always offer her vegetables. She just ate it tonight with sweet potatoes. Right now it's 7:19. I need to get her prepared for bath. My hair is actually in deep condition mode, if y'all are wondering like what is going on here. But yeah, that is all for this video, you guys. I'm really gonna try to be consistent. Like it, I don't even want to sit here and make promises, but I hate to like post videos, get in a groove, and then just disappear for like 2-3 weeks. Like me personally, if it was up to me, I would love to post 2 to 3 times a week long form. And just committing to that is like so hard. And the crazy thing about it is that like vlogging is not the problem. It's like having the time to sit down and edit, because you know, I'm a mom and it's always just a lot going on. I'm now back in the gym. I'm always in mom mode. And then me and my husband are rotating back and forth. It's a lot. But I'm not going to make any excuses. But that is something that I definitely want to sit down and dedicate to myself soon. Especially like with the new month coming. I know that it is possible. It can definitely happen. I just need to really sit down and just get organized and really plan on my content and batch the content and just really like, you know, have that time. So I will be doing that soon. With that being said, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.